Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this smart band. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the battery option. Oh, my bad. Battery option right here. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the battery status, as you can see, approximate battery life. We have 8 days, and also we have the battery saver option right here. You can tap on it, and right here we can enable the battery saver or power saving mode by tapping on the switch. And if you enable it, the smart band will disable a lot of features, and it will basically will have access only to time and steps. And in the process, it will save more power. And that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply wake up the screen on your smart band, then press and hold on the screen and keep holding until you see the normal watch face, like this. And that's how you disable the power saving mode. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.